Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off your voice typing on your keyboard. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, just move on setting. When you move on setting from this left side, you can see you can scroll down this settings. Okay, the small screen. Then after that, here you have to click on setting. Here's your setting. Okay, just tap on setting. After you click on setting, from here you can see this option of the under the system setting. You are able to check here keyboard and input method. Okay, so click on keyboard and input method. When you click on keyboard and input method, from here you can see available keyboards. Under this available keyboard, you can see the first option is the multilingual typing. So click on multilingual typing. When you move on multilingual typing, here you can see here is the voice typing. Okay, so tap on voice typing. After that, here is the voice typing. And if you want to turn off this voice typing, just click on this icon here. Your voice typing will be set off. Okay, and when you activate your voice typing, here I will show you. Just click on this search. Then after that, here again click on the back button. Then scroll down and here I just click on the search. Then here the mic will be shown. Okay, so here is the mic and it has been shown. Here I'm going to show you again, and I just click on the cancel button. Then I scroll down and click on the system, and here you can see again I click on keyboard and method or input method. Then after that click on Gboard, and from here you can see voice typing. And when you shut off, then you won't be able to see here this mic option. Okay, it will be removed. Okay, so this is how you can set off your voice typing on your OnePlus Pad. Okay friends, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.